Chapter 4, Layer Masking. So we'll understand how to use layer mask. Just press on Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Once your layer has been duplicated, what you can do is just go to the adjustment layer, press on something called as black and white, click on black and white. Your complete photograph changes into black and white. Now assume we need only the subject to be in color and the background should be black and white. When you create an adjustment layer itself, when the black and white was created, there is a mask which was already created by default. So we can use that created mask itself. I'll just take a brush. Make sure your foreground color is black. Switch on between foreground color and background layer. Just press X or else the little arrow mark which is here. Just click on that. So your foreground color is black right now. Just go closer to the subject. Now take the brush and start applying on the face. When you start applying on the face, the color of the subject will get appeared. So what you're doing is you're just using masking technique and you're applying the color where it needs to be applied. Just concentrate on the subject itself. For speeding up the flow, I'll just forward the video for you. Layer mask helps you to apply the effect to the required area. So in case if there is any unwanted area which was colored, you can remove that by pressing X. So if you see, the foreground color has been converted into white. Now just apply on the area which was overdone so that it gets reduced. Again switch the foreground color to black by pressing X. And you can apply it on the subject. Press X, make sure your foreground color is black. At the edges, be very careful. It should not spill out. Get closer to the subject's finger. Don't worry about the spillovers. We can correct it later. Now just press X. Your foreground color is white right now. Just reduce the spillovers at the edges. Done. Make sure foreground color is black now to apply the color on the subject. This layer masking technique helps you to apply the effect on the required area only. So now we have a black background, black and white background, and our subject is color. This is how you can use masking technique to create different effects to your photograph.